Fred keeps saying there's a pink magical dragon hiding in his basement. We think that maybe Fred's not playing with a full deck. Not playing with a full deck means someone is a bit stupid, crazy, and not very intelligent. This person does things in a way which does not make sense. Let's practice. Even though Fred is not playing with the full deck, we like to joke with him about the pink magical dragon living in his basement. The idiom not playing with the full deck is mostly used in the third person singular with he and she. This is probably because it's kind of rude to call someone crazy to their face. Let's use this idiom in the past, present, and future. In the past, we can say, Maria wasn't playing with a full deck. She thought she was a banana. In the present, we can say, Maria is eating the teacher. She's definitely not playing with a full deck. In the future, we can say, Maria won't be playing with a full deck if she keeps sniffing glue.
Did you see what happened today at work?
No, what happened?
Henry jumped on his desk and started singing, I'm a cute little monkey.
Oh, that? He's done that plenty of times.
So you're saying he's not playing with a full deck?
Right. He hasn't been playing with the full deck since the monkeys attacked him at the zoo.
That's kind of creepy.
What do you think Henry would do if I gave him a toy monkey for his birthday?